Abusia, so many stories, very little time. Me say about sorry side of Ghana and Africa, no more because we say can wasem. And the stories bebre na so last week ya. Yentimi can wasem. Ne ye random in app. Yes, just here. Now Abusia started there get it to Nigeria so for baby. Or see the birthday yanchana DNT or domina so ma.
You have the wisdom of the world. When you say, oh, Prophet Power, next A, B, and C, let's put money together. Even my birthday, some of you refuse to contribute. May God punish you.
I was just saying, so for a dinner birthday, and I want to add young one cochena, and then you no means say you. Who knew? Then I agree that fault. I agree dances I had now say BBB we are saying.
Because you are wicked. Unless you don't have. When I stand here, I preach. Some of you come to my office, you disturb me with prayers and everything. Give money for us to celebrate Pastor Cecilia. It's not like I'm coming to eat the money. It's for the food that you are coming to eat yourself. Some of you gave nothing and you ate like a pig and can't take away.
Take away the Quran, no. Or say, I'm for my birthday, no, all right, or my gift to be and then came and eat the food, no, prepare, no. And then also prepare take away, no, mudiko fee. And no kind of shoes of bar, what I say. 1 minute present, 1 minute is car. What be it was your bed dinner, we are go was here for take away. Now, one for your men, no, me,
I will say, if you are angry, change. Because if it was you and they come to me, I will give freely. Because you are a member and so I will look after you. But when it comes to your pastors, you don't want to know because you are selfish.
Yeah, but you are selfishness and also what I say. Mukwa sole mutu korese. A dream of pastors birthday, so I'm going to sign money present. Nadiania one was almost yakodi. Capito number 1. What I say? On Cho Biadia Crow, we are said that. Papa Beku number 2. PK Cradia Nekon. US Emmy. Hey, on US Air Force. US Air Force one. One who use Range Rover 4th hand. One of the we are selfishness.
You are only thinking about yourself. That is the wisdom of the world. Somebody that has the wisdom of God will be there for one another. When you don't have, I give you. When I know that you are struggling, I give you the little that I have. Because that shows that I'm a kingdom citizen. Because it's when I was hungry, did you feed me? So if you're sitting here and you cannot pay something towards your pastor's celebration or your pastor's whatever, why are you here? You're a devil.
Well, I was Mr. Mammy was saying, it's like, on TSC say, even though some of one I'm married and no man gifts and all that, and still on the situation them. I said, why are you here? Why are you there? Explain yourself. Say, won't watch your software gift. Now, we're saying tears on them. Open what you say.
And this is why pastors are bitter minus me because I'm not relying on nobody's money.
Na lie, Mammy, Obuwa, so you are not relying on anybody's money. But still, I was working at Nomia for say, Mamma Machawadi. Do I ditch a birthday in a Gabriel Skankaoni? I would have done me.
And it's not about £1,000 or £100. One little gift, like a voucher that Chantel gave me. I went and bought 2 blazers.
It's about your heart. Nasa nakuma no filise unya says or beroshia, BNTS or middle BB. And then you are also pissed off. Well, I was here, me say, examine your doors, wait, no, who your person say, now, birthdays will be a mirror present, and that will be a mirror here, and then a casting. Now, I was another second woman pastor, kinky stuff will be a cause one net, and this one I was here, say, I can't was it. Anything. So for mommy, I go near bomb pioneer, deliverance and all that. Mammy, we didn't quench a bar. So more quenching now. I was young. And yes, simple one for your brother, as I say in you. Mammy, be in enough for one casa, not your 2 room. Now what be more than my mouth one say, a holy muck. No problem be a wobiano, and I'm only a mini pantino or the 2 room. Well, video or Yanko. I didn't happen, I don't know. akwano o che capito chasa de she na num no goodness gracious as me nyim firi manum da. Now the title of the video no ba from baby enya video no from no and o mo ka se o yesofo mame. So what type of reaction as they say woman? If that this is in fact true and also a woman of God one, this is sad. Agrada asesa obi ama kind of saying so for mame present so wadwa say ye de nofo no so na asole ni din de sa abusia mo mpem mame ye nyina ye be kobi nofo ye de tuodu move for free o ene say ka members ne be do so pa because o hwese ne akwa no se no si gina wasi eager afa no o de nofo no tu nanum na no hu se nkwaje ni nie abusi oboy ya ankasa nso what is this we nyamesum ni bia nofo na say yeduru ho akwankyere ay Miss Africa. Oh, Christianity wrong. Ye Jimino. Is that simple? What? Oh, Dabi. Abusi enyansan still na sofu bi so dia oye kura de kire se. Odwene ho a wonte ase. Asondam deliverance na akwankyere no. Ebinom de aduru karat. Ebinom de aduru taekwondo. Ebinom de aduru wrestling. To mame to pa. Well, your go video no so way. Come on.
Yes!
Okay. First of all, you hold on a minute. Abuja, what is this? Says a DNA kosi. What the hell is this? Ah, Jesus. I'll send back. What is this? What at all is this? Nyamesumnie. What at all is this? I know where you see me. Movie money, you try with your bam. African once a man as saying. What is this?
Yes!
Abusianti asonda mu deliverance ni sei na sofo tutu honhom bane ni honhom fifiri ni pomu sei adi ese abayifo okura ne ye kra kom kogu dam na ya start afro mo aka kire mo so ye bayifo hey Africa ya bro ye bra kasa ye tese eto de na wo hwe ya sum nyame na so hwese normal we kwaso ye camp a oh it's very sad just say I will who ankasa not once and I'll be with it kramoni be yes something like this just oh yeah that ben nature that ben pa nature well inside coronavirus season we my say sorry be the Christ Embassy Church akwase fantasy dome was saying COVID protocols were by oh omobubu mrade so left and right what the footage of near course. Now you can clearly see that there is no COVID protocols here in place. I know it's a start say okay there would be COVID protocols, but they couldn't say okay we no more ma. Then they allowed everyone in. And they drew baby no a trigger because this in Accra, the capital of coronavirus, Ghana. Ebinom ntimi hwe maade we goso. And I see a report to the whole thing the police for. And the police for say omo ye investigation. No mo amu be find omo culpable, omo be di for wom no abusua. Ye be mamra ban asese ato no eni omo adi. Yeah, and a fantasy dome no see yatum. You see why? I know that you guys want to have events and all that. But if they are buying, especially in Accra, if they are buying, say, keep this open so but at least follow these protocols. At least make sure that they have people in place. You guys have people in place. I bet you put these measures in place. And even you set a limit. What you say? Then call in trouble. I know that this case, and all that, but still now. Rule of law must, apply where needed. But this, well, I was here. That wraps up about a sorry section of this daily wahala. Now, before I say, go to a reverend for a cheap so after audio leak, more response. Yan talk about other stories about Ghana. Yan to me, I can watch them last week. Number one. I might be on a caswatch as a counterfeit can come. Yes, a counterfeit to Ghana the A, Wakadre Mupa. Now, police was one of the counterfeit to one woman out here video really ultimu say yeah man you twache and scan it as odo no mpe 22 cedis ni bi da bi odo no ko 50 100 and na oyede hu no otwa now the facts of the matter is say police for call wo ka so abuzu am ko che no yes odo no yes am money doubling for 5,000 budget 10,000 ni bi ndi wo dey say real cash of 5,000 e kwa no am counterfeit of 10,000 what you say I ready nyawe hey yes ye kwa che no Ghana must go mu no wa parking sika wi so wa yire ne ho atwitwa se so oba be print and police for kokoso ano say ye bisa no o say oh business say why involved initially or deny accusations ni nyina and yes later on no oba be kire me say okay oka ho but onye on na ba me read this section e kire o say aware of the mountain of evidence against him Kofi Appiah confessed he had been involved in the business for years and he has been graduated to the central region agent but not the manufacturer. Abuzia za counterfeiting no abuzia ye omu graduation ni graduation ceremony ba ye nche ye ne yakoso ani o wuti wiase a ye legit business doubling money which is fake counterfeiting which will land you in trouble all combined no now you are going in if found guilty you are going in for a very long time you see well that is that ba hwe na ni ho so aso na abuzia wuti mu say yeah a police won't be man the bros pa Ghana police. Hey! Oh, Debbie. Now getting into the real territory, you know. Yes, my Ibia or Angola. Our water Maku 47. Our Maku 281. 281 in this day and age. Yes, my now. Oh, yeah, Abuzia, my now. Who of prostate cancer. Abuzia, how do you marry 47 wives? What the heading? Just what the heading? And 281 children. Just a mine will name me too. Until that time, they could have done. Oh, I was there, my nephew, which is very sad, Yankasa. And the man in Nana Lumina Beshia, my Okoye, you will go la. Abusia, yeah, may his soul rest in perfect peace. Yeah, what jam ma, just a yes, and you don't know, and man, dear, what jab be where chilipa. This is one free no. Abusia, and you don't know a dear of war. 47 wives. 281 children. Yeah, Abuzia, it's not easy. It's not easy. But Abuzia is easy, but I can say Ghana Education Minister or see the whole schools in Ghana, at least headmaster's office there. Abuzia, I saw on the picture and a president picture a what dying home because we say and another man who nipa oh yeah. Yeah, you let that sink in. That is baby I say whoa. Minister ni feel say you have to stroke his ego kakra. Nti headmaster office you find the picture more than home. Say na be ya ankora ni be hu say at least we ni na wutie ni nchire mu of ni enti a opese ni picture bodan ne ho na wo de tie. Or say Dr. Adutwim explained that when he was the Deputy Minister of Education, he taught some schools in the country and interacted with the students. The students, he said, were so fascinated and overly excited for coming into direct contact with him. That is the reason why in the person did the picture about what I know. Yes, no, yes, I interviewed one of the radio stations. Really? What was this? Just Abuzia didn't want to ask you. Why? Oh, that be this. I didn't just say happen. So if we are going to spend money to do this, why are we not focusing on the most important things? Abuzia, that is that. Mainly we link to that article no YouTube video description as well. Now I will read it for yourself. I will Ghana web. Just say it boggles my mind. Why would an education minister praise a day on no picture about that because say of course school one and say already nim kurani nim na nya fe no be spend the time explaining the type of person away. That is Ghana, we have a very long way to go, Ankasa. My cousin we pay Messia Kabim. NPP government, it looks like said, no man a priority, no. We don't focus on that, but do the things that they feel say it will help. But really it's not helping. What I say? But Yako dim na mavwa mekasi about turning this whole thing to politics. Now we are moving on. Kennedy Japan, when him say you be se bibi ko ya e fa wo say you no ane ba ni yere ni business. baby and Abia. Well, now no one two. One interesting show be na 2 year abusua nyanto was a share sa show ni bi no. Nyansa what's that show no na abusua. I would love everyone to watch that because Nyansa omo impacted on the youth and everything about opening business, how to do all that now. A very necessary ankasa. But enye no wasem ne kan ne daily wahala. Ne kan wasem ne sekene yapo di ne go for that time so mu ye mistake obe you mu nyina di. I can di. I was how they take akra.
Yemhwe managers ye the Juma show being as a manager. The expectation and say. And let me tell you, how can you think say me meeting me a free baby be manage everything? When we have incorporated, adi am yes mo your managers no no. Who dey say onka wo dey na be ka join. I mean foolish na my program my CCA. And question simple. What kind of nonsense is that? I've been sitting here all this while. Now we hear advert. A TV station now be kwa. One load advert no. Etwa so sa na panelists are just sitting there. They obi a watch show of here. You think you are making money? You are rather losing because the person will just flip to another station. Or could do one interesting, but they will not come. What kind of foolish system are you operating here? Now you want me to talk about somebody? I have to talk about my own stupid systems you have here. How can you run a whole advert? Who run away? What do paper number to? What you can say? Who we are also YouTube now? Obiato. You think people who are watching will just be sitting there idle? Looking at your advert? This is what we talk about. Foolish managerial system. What you have to do? For the end 6. Oka sem kakra. Wa ma break kakra. No wa bow advert. No wa kasa. Now what did you part in about 15 minutes? Why not? What ni fie a? What's it all show? Why? Obey wasting the time. Please. Now person make come fie dia make ko obedient. Hey, you're foolish in my one. We are making money ready. It's in some fun. What do you mean? I don't know you use magnet. Money me. Don't you watch CNN and other stations? Is that how they do adverts? Why? 2,000. We are educating people. It's more important than some fianga monies that we are making here.
Abuja Kennedy, you know, Mr. Kennedy is a no-nonsense, no-joke person. It doesn't matter, sir, then phone workers and you're now all kinds of sometimes it makes sense. Because if you are doing a show and you are playing multiple arts throughout Abuja, nobody be jack at some point. The points on that was very valid, Ankasa. Above all, now will not like the tonality, the tone now they can't say at least the staffers now that's a workers won't appreciate that. But on any business, if something is going wrong, why not? But like I said, no, the show no was no. One of the just important shows where we are youth for you really need to keep watching and then stop watching that or just 4 shows and all that. You have to look that show. No, I'm a fan of that show. Seriously, I can't recommend it enough. Because they are impacting a whole lot of knowledge. I was showing you now we got 2 more stories about Reverend Obofo near Chipalago. More response to Andy ni leak audio bia. Ga no kwa agrada Obofo ni po bia kwa agrada ko keka nsem bebere abasa ga Chipalago ne Obofo kunkum ni pa ne keka ho na busia. Oma respond kind of way bi ye be kokko. But before that no, video was brought to you by abexpress.com. Abi Express a website ebusia ubetimi ato all Ghana stuff wo hia ewo ho say ye ntoma ubenya bi wo ho say ye ahenema ubenya bi wo ho say ye African prince made ne yapam nkoda de mema ebusia ubenya bi wo ho say ye games ya Africa ye nije huin ludu dami ubenya bi wo ho nkutokora na ope bi ubenya bi wo ho Africa no ma bi a wo pe no ko abexpress.com including toma Abusia ubenya bi wo and as our physical store ba person sell online but you nim kwan a obefa so a abusia ne abi express nkasa our option a ubetimi de store na ba be kan no ne de no na amafo atowo no man directly through abexpress.com because I don't know your promotions that this all ba be kan no abusia it goes in your favor nkasa I be bo wa amafo hu no man na mo feel so mo ton no mani bi no o mbeto bia ma business na ko nanim ti abusia so person sell online na so ni any other way bia na contact abexpress.com na abusia mu hook up na be feel ya nkasa. Now, Abusia, finally, now on your talk about Reverend Obofo leaked audio be from the guy ending na Manase Tamomoko Nana Grada Abusia ending reveal secrets expose you no more bebre about Obofo ding dong the size and the 10 Abusia about Nipokumo Mokum and all that. Now, people were expecting say Obofo have a cancer. What I think they say Obofo the case, probably I'm a police for because it was very damning allegations and all that. But one guy I was your social media, I can't say, we seniors or a cheap alago. Abba responded, say, on your above 1 year here, near ending a cano, as well above what my ending because in some Okano is sick and the guy is doing it in a way for attention. Would it cheap alago statement?
Yeah, straight up and that is the one and only a cheap alago, aka no size. Jack, me buafu pa. Just audio bia and crofo send mommy say akwa a friend Andy obofo akola kekan kwa simbi say an and a meme no obofo akwesi ni akwesi just say time kura. Na dey na ekoso Ghana just say obi a person twa ntro to ni nua so o ka simbi na say amanfo behwe no na odi gidi ne kwa sim tisin tronko na amanfo e ka fa amanfo. Me imagine say kam ebu mani aguso but sa asem we nya asem ketwa ai o say metena ho. Sa Andy o se wan hwane no. Say come bembe bi o wan ka dia me de be no say come si abuno come abuno rough why na ho sa na o de to kan kwa asem no say o person gini din o so e de yum twitwa nto to amanfo so social media e bloody kwa asem bia na obi kan fa obi hu so ati ase ba wi wani a na asem no o mo fa na de onipa ko na kana na because ye nte side of the story me to no obi anya kronkron ba me ye kronkron e fa san kwa asem na o ka fa me ho say me ne Reverend Obofo e na Viana na say ni Reverend Obofo Tesa akwa we wa me anchi na ho me di hu yaw pa so wa me anchi say jimifo andi o so wa woni na ho me di hu yaw pa a Ghana kwasema ekoso time so obi timi ka ntrofo obi hu na nipa ne te wona chese police for current mi mfrɛ ne toto na no asa obedu tu kwan betena brochi enye se bi obedi 6 months bi ko ba obetena krom ha na ohu mra ne hu de ekwa eya na Ghana hokora no just a name of course one hour time. No disrespect to be or to Ghana be out. Ban kwasem or Ghana too much. I can't send me. I can't would yasem. Say we are say up to now. Want me police for want me friend or crying there and to tonano. And when I'm wood Jimmy or can't be Ginny Dio said him. Asem no can minimum she. Swat ya say. Meant no me and say me din. Meant no me and say me image. Because I've worked hard to come this far. So I said this time kwasema ekoso social media ni ti me eden me kire ma adwene so obi aso a blogger na Jimmy ni ntoko hunu kwa na moko no Reverend Obofo so am ya nche sa akwa we ahun me di hu ya bobobobobo se police for kwasema akwa we aka audio ni nam from mu a amafo afa ne said ya okan na say ye no kre say nya no kra mo chi wo hwe na mo mfre no entoto na no na se mra bi anya adwun Ghana ho kwasiasem si akwa no.
Now, personally, no, I think that some of the things that guy in the can was that audio no were right. But say bus any percum aspect in it, come on. That I don't believe. Now it's left to the police and the CID and almost squad no, to investigate into the matter. If said they will take the case on, it's up to them to verify and see say guy ne cannot create an auditor. Where does the truth lies? What I say? Because we have to be swearing can no be or left and right and then go scot free. It doesn't work like that. Abuja, what country I didn't run a year, Juma. Obi to me swallowing can be saying, and then that thing gets leaked and no one takes the case on. So I think sir, Reverend Obofo a beer or the case number police for because if the content in that audio all was false, then some hairs needs to be rolled. Abuja. Now Reverend Obofo's live video are not say. As I'm the kind of with your young audio, so you see some sections be no kasa but assembly in a way, kakra.
Sir, my attention has been drawn on a settled matter. My address, me address issue beyond. Me show be a Ghana or beyond the only no air time.
Well, your time. You may think some more for brand new issues and no minimum, but as it turns out, we are Ghana for a dose wakasa. So if say you have the opportunity to clear some things, I think you should. But that all depends on you and how a person take the matter not too. What they say because Okasa is as well. Some people will take the words and then misconstrue it in a way it doesn't know to be some kind of way. So that I can understand.
Adia me pese Odisha wadwene mu said never play with it. Emfe nia goro da okasa mu wadi obi a woyem wabrabo. Adia memfe nia goro adia friend emra. No matter how powerful you are. Now yes, you are very powerful. Ade a chi no ye emra. Tumi e wa asase we so eni asofo nsem o. Me me yi asem bibire ano bet me bebie bi ade bi so akiro. Obi say daddy usuro bibi. Hwe. Time I ka say yenko chi Yesu mra na emra tumi na say yenko chi no. Yes wa to mra no. Akwanchire timeje no.
Well, that part is just kind of explaining say yemfa mra nia agro e wo Ghana no kura mfa mra nia agro Yesu Kristo kura no e ba mra abusua mra di ni in a way. So I don't know kire say onim the right way of doing things. Until there is no way say yes or yet normal bebu mra so a bia beba ne ho akire no. So that all is to say ending same na o kan no abusua it's either wrong and as onim ni okeka.
Na yensua de bi. Emre bi osofu bi ka asem bi fa me ho. A friend no malope. I said me to human part. Enche obekai. Audio no call via. And only da obi di asem to me so amani brea me kasa e. So me asem ba me tan kasa. Then I came out. Ebi mu si chino. Malope dwane and am ye case. And ye chi malope. E chi malopa. Na manfo aso camera. Uye nyame nipa jaino. So which is which? And
they start to pick a Ghanaian stance. Yeah, dear no. As somebody buy ya, no. Unyachi na munya. Hey, Ghana is real. Hey,
but this is what I want you to understand. Me krana mi jina me no kasana. I am not bigger than the law. The oya mra kura mra chino. Emre bi me kan sem we mo bi betena ho ye boy. Na sen o kasana no ade mra etufo. Say bibi na open ne akura. Be careful of your talks. Dear ye beti na chisi e be ye na djuma no. Oya niema bebre Yesu ye niema pi. But atro eni twato no so ade ne ko wuo. Onte Ghana ha ina obi kan se masoa efunu. Asoa efunu ho. E de akosi obi asore de efunu. Na wan kasa so obosu ne awuda na mehwe Kristo nti.
Well, about of war so dia sometimes true, but sometimes no amu ya no so bi o why enye facts and they are so laying out because of being normal we next suffer for normal ya show no this particular video mu akasa. It makes no sense for this of best and some fun we sing what you say ubo bi am twade because o tu honhom boni afridi mu e no ne yakwankyere Yesu Kristo odi no te no de afọ obi eni so na ekọ okay but no so de otwi nani so a Ghana ni sofu ye bie no so ye beka well abusia Ghana no take it or leave it ye kasa Ghana is a very big prison yeah ye wom ni nyina no we have nowhere to go than to talk what you say that's the reason why
Asemu bakura me I cannot do anything about it until quickly let me the law enforcement agency. But obi person be kachire me se so for pa na adwuma na edin etoda aya bra yeshu mu kakra
wala buzia that ene na meka se e bi asem ne bae no odi akwakoma police for enunti a on person be ka ho asem so that no it makes sense but also sometimes muslim put myself in his shoes and see how they feel yeah
dia udi ye unua na meeting a wutimu a efa unua bi ho a ubose ebo nsiri ha ye pegyawo no oso koto sabo no se osi unua so akache ne se sori yenso ne nkanche ne se on sori ne so. What I want you to understand is that Ghana is my home. The dean way there me say men paper. My name is Francis Innocent.
Brother Francis Innocent nemfa odi obofo ayesa agrada o se ono na sesan ahunyame nti no or the Reverend Evangelist Patricia sesen odi obofo Innocent in Nigeria for di yemfa mfra da what you say.
No one is bigger than the laws of this country. Boys now more street you know mo shoma na mo tutu mo kasa adwabo na uduru ase na ye pegya wa ye gu obi anim ase sa ponto ne gu a adwabo ne duru egu a nhyiamu ne gu a dodo na ekohia no so mo de ho adin na ekọ nti afa papa susum kakra
wala bofo asemo de boni asusu na che mudi ne won komo boni a da bi obofo ise obofo ise munika ne ho asem papa so kakra what you say ba sempa ne de abusia I won't lie obofo nsempa ne de amanfo kan pa adoya o ye ska otugu amanfo so amanfo kan da ba boni no so ba that doesn't mean say o ye papa ntino na boni no so ye nka if say the boni no munsem ne ye nokora e no so ye beka pa Ghana we did like I said very big prison ye nyina ye dem.
I'm explaining here me hu se me o town the APC family no ne madofo a mo wa bontin bebre a mo wa kontum ne ade no minya no mesi minya sembia no wa na wo hwe mani ma metimi aye
well abusia so that is basically it what as a video no wa metro link no YouTube description as well so unya hu ya kona kopehwe because it's more like so also ma me yihwe ya no so yes allegations no ma drop on that leaked audio no ba be ya no that's not the agenda for this kind of saying the video where but that is the thing. Person actually say or Ghana say if say almost why bibia or omomra meche no what you say. So that is the angle at least in response to the matters of the leaked audio no. Nothing concrete. But it's a concrete stuff on the bar. You basi na amount. What you say? Magra heb here. I was your video where you want. Yeah, ending with here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click what man so say new video be we be am. E buy now Saka. Till we meet again, Abusia. Adios.